We haven't decided yet whether or not to do regular school or virtual school in the fall, but there's talk in our district, I'm sure she means our school district, about having to sign a waiver, a COVID waiver for my kids for extracurricular activities like sports or the band. If there is an outbreak related to a team, would the school be protected from any liability? Matt, great question. We have talked about these liability forms before for churches and school groups. What are your thoughts about Renee's question?
Kenny, that's a great question. Actually, it's a very good question. And the answer is, and we've talked kind of about this like minor settlements, right? That parents, they cannot settle their children's auto claim or injury claim or really any type of claim without getting Chancery Court approval, meaning that you've got to go to Chancery Court and get the judge to kind of bless what is happening. So honestly, more likely than not, those waivers are ineffective unless they go to court and get a chancellor to approve it, because as you can imagine, the court about someone waiving the right to another person. Yep. I just gave a great answer, Kenny. Did you get any of it?
I mean, it really felt like you were building to it, Matt. If you could go over the last 10 seconds again, it really felt like you were building to something there.
I was crushing it. More likely than not, the waiver is ineffective, all right? The law does not really like for Party A to be able to waive the rights of Party B, even though it is parent-children situation. So they've really, to make those waivers to be effective, truly effective, as to the children's rights. Now the parents can waive their rights, but as to the children's rights, you've actually got a Chancery Court and get a judge to bless or approve that waiver, otherwise ineffective.
Renee, I hope that helps out with your email question. It is, when it gets to waivers and liability, as you can hear from Matt, it gets complicated pretty quickly. Hope that helps you out there. I suspect that's a question a lot of folks along the coast are asking as the school year draws near.